I made 4 things with my Kolanut: syrup, smoothie, candy, and jelly. And here's the first one, syrup. Taste test the Kolanut syrup in water. I'm not trying to make cola. I want to try it again with like spices and like a caramel base to see if that will tease out more of the nuance of the Kolanut. Smells fresh, vegetal, like there's a green smell. Familiar with the Kolanut, then it smells like Kolanut. Let me taste. I think that this would make like a good midday pick-me-up, or you can have it warm for breakfast. Okay. You get the whole Kolanut, like it comes full-bodied, but it's not as bitter. Obviously there's sugar in it, so definitely an exciting exploration. And if you think that it's strange to cook with Kolanut, it isn't that strange. There are 2 things in Nigeria that feature the Kolanut as an ingredient. For the jelly, I used the Kolanut syrup with gelatin and a bit more sugar. It went from this to kind of this pale brown thing. With the consistency though is jiggly, and so I'm gonna do a little cutting. I love cutting through jelly. There's just something so intensely therapeutic about it. The way that the lines form and move so cleanly, and just that little jiggle. And then I'm going to kind of run that. Love that shine. See the wobble. So I'm a jelly lover, and one of my questions was I wondered if it would jelly because it already had that viscosity, remember? But yes, it jellies quite nicely. Let's do the taste test. You don't get the Kolanut at first bite. More the sweetness, you feel more the texture, but the finish, only Kolanut, slightly sweetened. I think you'd have to serve it with something really plain and unstated or understated so that the Kolanut flavor would shine through. I think it would also be nice with maybe a Kolanut ice cream, because there's a hint of bitterness, but there's more to it than just the bitterness. And I think those would work very well with like botanical forest themed event, and you would finish with this kind of botanical dessert that had maybe juniper berries, maybe pine, green, clean, fresh, and then you'd have this bittersweet, digestive, almost ice cream with the jelly. I think it'd be fantastic. I'm gonna have some more jelly. There it is. Again, really pleased with the texture. I just need to see if I can make a clear, pretty version.